Have you ever spent money just to feel better? Maybe after a stressful day, an argument, or even when you were bored? Yeah, that's emotional spending. And in this full 2026 guide, I'll show you exactly how to fix emotional spending without feeling deprived. Step 1. Figure out what emotion triggers your spending. Is it stress, sadness, loneliness, celebration? Emotional spending isn't random. There's usually a pattern. For the next 2 weeks, pause before buying anything non-essential and ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Write it down. Awareness breaks the automatic reaction. Create distance between emotion and action. Wait 24 hours before any emotional purchase. If it's expensive, wait 72 hours. Most emotional urges fade with time. Spending often gives a quick dopamine hit, so replace it with something healthier. Go for a walk, exercise, journal, talk to someone, watch something you already have access to. You're replacing the emotional reward, not ignoring it. Completely banning spending can backfire. Instead, create a small emotional spending budget each week, maybe $20 or $30. That way you stay in control without feeling restricted. Make emotional purchases less convenient. Remove saved payment methods. Turn off shopping notifications. Unsubscribe from promotional emails. Friction reduces impulse. When you successfully skip an emotional purchase, transfer that money into savings or a goal account. Watching that number grow creates a different kind of emotional reward. One tied to progress. Emotional spending doesn't mean you lack discipline. It means you're human. The goal isn't perfection, it's awareness and small systems that protect you during emotional moments. So, to fix emotional spending, identify your triggers, pause before buying, replace the emotional reward, set safe limits, and redirect the savings. Over time, those small changes build real financial stability. Yeah, and peace of mind too.
If you've